Are you guys waiting for your date of joining? You have not get your date of joining yet? Your date of joining is not yet released? Then this video is for you all. If you're waiting from past 2 months, 3 months, many of them who are waiting from past 8 to 9 months also, just watch this complete video. This video is for you all. Hello everyone out there, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video is for those who have not received their date of joining yet. Okay, since from past 2 months, 3 months, 6 months, maximum 8 months also they are waiting. Okay, so watch the complete video so that you will understand what to do in this situation. Okay, this is a very crucial situation and it is a very important topic on which I am making the video today. Okay, see, I have received multiple comments from you all saying that we have not received date of joining yet from Accenture or any company, by the way. Okay, they have not received their date of joining yet. From past 2 months, 3 months, I have received for 5 months also. Still they have not received the date of joining. Still they are waiting for that opportunity. Why? My question is, why you are waiting? Why you are wasting your time? See, you have given the interview, you got the offer. That means you are confident enough to get any offer, right? Why you have wasted so many months, so many days? Why you have wasted? If you ask me, don't wait. Okay, don't wait. If you see, already you have the offer in hand, right? So you no need to worry. Just start giving the interview. Think that you are practicing your speaking skills. You start giving the interviews. If you have any fear of giving the interviews, that will get rid of. Okay, so try giving multiple interviews. Okay, don't sit and wait for a single offer. We don't know, it might come, might not come also. Okay, they leave the offer, but if the project is not there, they are still in, they don't have many projects still who are inside the company, who are all are there inside the company, they are still waiting, they are in the bench, they are waiting for the projects. Then how they'll give it to you? Okay, they'll give huge time to wait. Okay, so don't wait, don't show so much of patience. Okay, start giving the interviews, look for some other opportunities. If you get it, it's fine. If you won't get, you can get this, right? There is no harm in that. My recommendation is don't wait. Don't wait. See, this time is really important to you all. Why you want to waste? Gain the experience. Don't waste by sitting in home. Don't waste just by roaming around. Okay, don't waste this time. It matters. See, 6 months of experiences matters a lot. If you join the company soon after you passed out, 6 months of experience you might have gained till now, right? You have been put on hold since from past 3 months, 5 months, 8 to 9 months also. So courteousness is a courtesy, not a requirement anymore, right? See, sometimes people join within the 2 months of their graduation. Sometimes there is no call for almost a year. See, rather than waiting for justification, I will suggest you to look for some other opportunities. This opportunity is there with you. It's there in your hand. It is not going anyway. If you are getting better opportunity with the date of joining in your hand, then it is well and good. Why not you join this company? See, what happen is, if you are waiting since from past these many months, what will happen is they'll think like, it appears like you are born to join this company, you are hell-bent to join this company. It is true. You assume that it is one of the top 10 or 20 companies to work for in India. You think like that. It's true. It might be a branded company. It might be a branded company like Accenture, Infosys, TCS, Wipro, Tech Mahindra, Capgemini, etc., etc. Many companies are there. We should not love the company. You know the great saying of Abdul Kalam? We should not love the company. We should love our work. Okay, concentrate on your work. Don't concentrate on company. See, it is waste of time. Okay, if you leave that and if you go for other opportunities, you might get better opportunity there. My suggestion is, if you start your career with a startup company, it's a great deal to you all. I'm telling you, if you start with startup, nothing better than that, I must say. Because in startup, we can learn many things. Many people think that, oh, it's a startup company, we don't know, they might have layoffs very often. No guys, not like that. Opportunities and learning things is dependent on you, okay, not on the company. If you are well and good, if you are good at your work, if you are hardworking, if you can work properly what they are assigning, they are not going to leave you. You are going to leave the company in some or the other day. Okay, make sure that you don't depend on company. Please make a note. You are going to start looking the opportunities right now. Okay, open the browser, open naukri.com, upload your resume, just be open for the calls. You'll start getting the calls. Okay, if you don't have like any knowledge, like if you don't have much knowledge, got selected in campus but you don't have much knowledge to attain more interviews, start practicing. Okay, start practicing. If you want to learn any particular course, go and join the course till you get that company. Okay, if you don't want to attend the interview, just prepare yourself. Okay, prepare yourself and make sure you are capable enough to give multiple interviews. Make yourself up to that level. Okay, my suggestion is just don't waste your time. Wait for at least 15 to maximum 1 month. Just wait for that much. If they are not giving you the date of joining, if they are delaying by any chance, okay, in that matter, just start looking for other opportunities. Else, if you don't want to look for other opportunities, you want to stick to that company only, start improving your knowledge. Go and join some courses, learn some technologies, learn some new languages. My suggestion is start giving the interviews. If you fail also, that is fine. See, failing is nothing but first attempt in learning, you know, right? If you fail also, that is fine. Give the interviews. Already you have the offer in hand. Why you are afraid of getting failed? Don't afraid of anything. Okay, you have the opportunity, you want to grab multiple opportunities. Okay, think that, keep that in mind and look for other opportunities. Don't wait, guys. You're wasting your precious time. This is a valuable time. Gain the experience instead of wasting that. Okay, see, one more thing what I can tell is, if you want to stick to that company only, see, what you can do is, the basic thing would be contact the HR and politely obtain the follow-up time and keep following them, keep sending the reminders, keep asking either via mail or via, if you have the contact number, you can directly call, not daily thrice or 4 times, daily once you call, or you can send mail politely. If you are not getting any response in 2 or 3 working days, if you are not getting any response from that HR, you can politely ask for the response. If they are not responding, then I told you already, look for other opportunities. Definitely they'll get back to you. Till then, you look for other opportunities. If you're getting some better opportunities, then act wisely. Okay, I hope everyone understood what I am telling. Okay, I'm not telling this, don't join this company, but don't waste your time. I'm not telling don't join the company who is giving the offer. Wait for, see, limited time. Don't waste beyond the expectation. If you have waited for maximum 1 month, that is more than enough. Don't wait beyond that. Just start giving the interviews, look for some more opportunities. Don't waste your time. Okay, if you get the opportunity, then politely drop a mail to this company which was, you are holding the offer already. Just drop a mail politely saying that I'm not open to this position. Thank you so much for giving the opportunity. Okay, that's it. Then you can join whichever company you want. If you have multiple offers, then you can decide where to join. This one, that one, this one. You start looking again and again. Seriously, I'm telling you, thank me later, but start looking for the opportunities. Don't waste your time. I'm telling you, wasting a 15 days or 1 month is also a really big deal to me, if you ask me. Okay, don't waste your time. Wait for maximum 1 month. Okay, if you are so much keen to go to that company only, max to max 2 months, but not more than that. That is also, I'm telling you, if you are interested in that company, like if it is a dream company to you, then you can wait for maximum 2 months, not more than that. Okay, waiting for 5 months, 8 months, it's just waste of time, right? See, company is not losing anything. You are already there for them, but you're losing. Okay, I hope everyone got my point. Start looking for the opportunities right now. Okay, go and upload your resume in Naukri, upload your resume directly in the career portal of that particular company. Go and check whichever the location you are staying, just open the companies, just search the companies in that particular location, and then open the company website, go to the careers page and start uploading your resume there also. Who knows, you might get the calls from there also. Soon I'm planning to upload one more video on how to upload your resumes on Naukri, how to get the calls, and how to upload the resume on the particular company's portal, and also how to get the referrals. Okay, I'm going to upload the video soon, so stay tuned with me so that you will get more interesting videos and helpful videos which is benefited for you guys. Okay, I hope you guys understood what I'm trying to say in this video. Okay guys, that is for today's video. I hope you found this video helpful and you guys will start look for other opportunities and thank me later. Comment below. See if you guys get benefited from this video, if you found any information valuable in your real life, if you are going to execute any idea of mine from my videos in your life, then please do let me know. I'll get boost up with this comments. Okay, so try commenting if you are getting benefited. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Okay, if yes, if you like this video, just click on that thumbs up button. Okay, and if you want to stay connected with me, just subscribe to my channel and also enable the bell icon to get notified for any latest video. If I update, you'll get notified. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.